There are those who stand up for Christ, who bleed for Christ, who die for Christ. Jesus said, "Those who do not carry their own cross and come after me cannot be my disciples." Your family is everywhere, from Pakistan to Eritrea. They die each day for Jesus. How little do we know? Jesus, He wants all of you. We compromise and